Hi, beautiful Libra. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's get straight to your messages. I have a hair on my lip. Libra energy. Libra, please, and thank you, spirit guides. What messages? Be proud of yourself. Step up and lead. Attend to the details and believe in your good luck. Those are some of your messages. It's telling you to just release control, go with the flow, be proud of your self, be proud, step up and lead, attend to the details, and believe in your good luck. Libra, please and thank you. Awareness. The energy of awareness supports your capacity to focus on all aspects of a multi-dimensional world, creating a new reality. This is joy, freedom, and abundance. Time to do some reflection and be proud of your accomplishments. Be proud of yourself for being aware, multi-dimensionals, not just 3D, but 5D and higher, multiverse. This is freedom, supporting your sense of limitless possibilities and potential, boundless expression, and bold exploration. So, the energy of reflection is supporting your growth, your strength, and your integrity. Okay, Libra. You may want to find a quiet retreat. Disconnect from the outer world so you can discern and process your true thoughts and feelings. Create this quiet time for yourself and have more clarity about what to do next. Could be a raise or a promotions, a congratulations. An increase in your abundance flow is awaiting you. This is a result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. Spirit saying, be proud of yourself. Keep up the good work. It is safe for you to receive. It's like you have freed yourself from poverty or severe vows of poverty. Dreams of abundance. Hello. Okay, Libra. Letting go and letting God. Manifesting multi-dimensional. What's going on? Taking action. Leading. Releasing yourself from some kind of mental trap or severe vow of poverty. Strength. Dreams of abundance. Dreams of security. Congratulations. Spirit is saying this is the multiverse. Anything is possible in the multiverse. This is faith, belief, believe in your good fortune, believe in your good luck. Release these vows of poverty. It is time to reflect. Time to soul search. There is a new idea. This is a promise here of good fortune. It's taking the divinely guided steps you're guided to take. So what is this? Abundance. dreams of abundance. You are manifesting truth and clarity, seeing the big picture here. Okay, what's going on? Be proud of yourself for freeing yourself from something here, having the courage and the faith to take a leap of faith here. Congratulations are in order. A cycle of prosperity and abundance. Someone is... Oh God, so... Somebody may have chosen another lover. There is jealousy here. You're moving forward and somebody's hurt. Well, they may have hurt you, but here are dreams of abundance. Ooh. What the heck? Huh. So somebody is resentful. Or somebody is worrying about that somebody... This is rejection. This is self-sabotage. Somebody is angry. They may have taken on severe vows of poverty. Well, you have taken on vows of abundance. They might have had dreams of prosperity. But something was hidden here. Huh. Severe vows of poverty. This is a negative mindset. This is... betrayed you. Someone has taken on severe vows of poverty by trying to do you dirty here. You're spiritually protected. Someone may have, I'll say, someone's embarrassed, ashamed, is in regret now. Oh. Oh, someone juggled you. Got themselves stuck. Swearing, I don't know. Whatever you're working on here, you're being congratulated for, like, releasing someone or releasing vows of poverty. This is multiverse. This is the multiverse congratulating you for a job well done. Somebody over here has taken on vows of poverty. Maybe they tried to, like, wish that upon you or something. Let's see what this means. You're being congratulated here. Job well done. You freeing yourself. It's almost as if to do with your work and your career. Being congratulated for divinely taking the steps that you were. This is you, free. The universe is congratulating you. Job well done. Freeing yourself. This is poverty. Ooh. Okay, so they allowed the fear of poverty to cause them to end their union with you. Maybe they were superficial. They have taken on severe vows of poverty. By being with this other lover, they were sneaking and lying and cheating, trying to cheat you out of your abundance, your prosperity. You freed yourself. Look, the 9 of Pentacles plus the Ace of Pentacles plus this love, and they gambled it, thinking they could cheat on you or cheat you out of something with this other lover. They're stuck. Greedy. Now they're resentful. Because you're being congratulated for a job well done. This person is taking on severe vows of poverty because of doing you dirty here. Oh yeah. Some kind of justice here for High Priestess. It's almost as if by ending this situation, you've ended some kind of karmic betrayal. Accusing you, bad-mouthing you. They've taken on a burden, a vow. They thought they were going to have prosperity. They thought they were going to have prosperity by doing this. Oh. Thought the grass was greener. They're getting their karma. And now they're in regret. It's almost as if somebody was wishing poverty on you. By choosing the karmic, they have chosen severe vows of poverty. Whoa. While you prosper, while you are being blessed. So maybe somebody was wishing that upon you. Maybe somebody was wishing that upon you, Libra, that you're being congratulated. This is a job well done. Oh my. It's like you're free. You freed yourself. And now you can dream of abundance. Somebody may have tried to control you, wanted control. Somebody could have wished you bad luck, you know. And if they did, they're getting it. Multiverse is here. Told you to just let them go. Let it go. And you did. And you're being congratulated for doing this. This is a job well done. Maybe you've learned a lesson or taught someone a lesson. It's like you're being rewarded. Raises, promotions. It is safe for you to receive. It wasn't safe while you were with this person. It was not safe for you to receive whatever you're receiving while you were with this person. because you would have taken on severe vows of poverty had you done so. It's like Spirit didn't want you collecting these rewards while you were with this person because they were greedy. Spirit's like, no. Hell no. This person did not have good intentions. They were greedy. And they may have drained you dry. So the tables have turned. It's like now you're the prosperous ones and now they're the ones in poverty. Well, Spirit did not want you receiving these blessings while you were with this person. Didn't trust them, what they were up to. You may have lived the lifestyle of poverty with this person. Had you remained with them. It's telling you here, wealth and prosperity and abundance is yours. Never judge a person, judge a book by a cover. You may have been in poverty before, but you broke free of that. When you broke away from this person, you could find yourself doing way better without them than with them. Multi-dimension. You're right in tune with the universe. Listening to the universe. Be proud of yourself. This is a job well done. Practicing gratitude. This person may have had a toxic mindset, a toxic view about money, how they viewed money. Thinking greedily, like everything's superficial, superficiality. Well, you know that when you're on the 5D level, everything is unlimited resources. Unlimited. Whatever you ask for, it is safe for you to receive. Take care.